The Culinary Arts program at Nash Community College provides specific training required to prepare students to assume positions as trained culinary professionals in a variety of food service settings. Students will be provided theoretical knowledge and practical application that build critical competencies to meet industry demands, including environmental stewardship, operational efficiencies, and professionalism. Courses include food safety, baking, culinary fundamentals, cost control, and more. Graduates should qualify for entry-level opportunities including prep cook, line cook, and station chef. With experience, graduates may advance to positions including sous chef, pastry chef, executive chef, or food service manager. For more information, visit nashcc.edu or call 252-443-4011.